going to talk a little bit about water heaters. Now there's several types of water heaters. If you've got a high-end all-electric coach, you'll have an electric water heater somewhere in the belly of the tank, and we'll talk about them later. Some of your high-end coaches have diesel-fired burners to heat the coach. They also run hot water off of those just like you would in a house. But most of your coaches are going to have a propane-fired or electric and propane combination water heater, very similar to what we have here. Now, all you have to do is open the door and you'll see the basic operations of the water heater. Okay, before we get started, we first want to check our gas line here for a leak. Make sure we don't have any leaks that'll cause us a problem while we're working here. And we're just going to smear some leak detector on here, back of the nut, the middle, and the fitting up here. Now it's not running at this point, so there's no need to check downstream of the valve. Just right here and check for bubbles. And we don't have any leaks here. Looks good. When you're done, take a rag and wipe your leak detector off. Keeps the fittings much nicer. Now you'll notice back here we have some silicone covering that gas line. Normally there's a rubber plug back there. That seals the hole where this gas line comes in so that none of the combustion byproducts, or if there's a gas leak, none of that can get back inside of the coach. So that seal is very important and you want to be sure it's there. Now from here, the gas goes in the valve. The circuit board will turn this gas valve on, send the gas through the orifice, through the burner, and it'll be ignited by the electronic ignition on this igniter. And the flame will go through the burner tube, come out up here expelling the hot exhaust. And they do get hot, so be careful if it's running, don't touch this.